Move-in ready and low maintenance from the jump. This upgraded Aquia Harbour home delivers immediate value with no carpet, a wooded backyard, and major system updates already done. Most big-ticket items including the roof, windows, vinyl siding, and core appliances are approximately 10 years old, with a washer and dryer purchased in 2025. Inside, you'll find 5-inch wide hickory hardwood floors, ceramic slate tile, crown molding, Pella doors, and Simonton Low-E Argon windows. The kitchen offers generous counter space and refreshed cabinetry and features stainless steel appliances. The living room is anchored by a wood-burning fireplace, and the formal dining room easily accommodates larger gatherings with a beautiful bay window. The primary bedroom comfortably fits a king-size bed and includes a walk-in closet with built-in shelving. Both secondary bedrooms are oversized and share a hallway bathroom. Enjoy maintenance-free living with architectural shingles, gutter guards, an attic fan with sensor, and composite decking on both the front porch and rear deck. The oversized driveway provides parking for multiple vehicles. Located inside the gated Aquia Harbour community, residents enjoy access to a private marina, pools, golf course, stables, parks, trails, playgrounds, tennis and pickleball courts, and year-round community events. Convenient to I-95, Route 1, Quantico, commuter options, shopping.